Hey, what's up, people? How everybody goes? I am LukeTheRed, and she's Bella. Yeah, she's Bella, right here. We're about to react to... I have some info here. This is Paper Dough. It's a side band of 3 of the kids from Mission itself. Thank you for being there, the support, the love of my introduction on this beautiful family. But this is like a side band. We have Ida on the vocals and rhythm guitar, and Elijah, Nasus, Naisha, and Ice. Hopefully I said those names correctly. So this is a side band. I'm so here for it. I wanna know what this is about. And I don't know, guys, if you are ready, but I am. Let's go. Okay then, Paper Dough. Check Yes Juliet by We the Kings cover. Of course, I just was thinking that maybe this side band will be something like original song, but give me more covers. They are doing it so well, and they had that much talent that they have like 1,000 bands. Now I don't know, maybe people here say that Stacy has another side band, but they are great, so talented. So here I am. Just let's go. Yo, this is so punkish, you know? The punk pop era, Blink-182, his voice is so that. Yellow Car, yeah, Blink-182, that style. I was surprised, and I'm sorry, but I just can't see Ice right here so little. I just can't, and then I can just, you know? Okay, this is great. Like, I don't know the original song. I don't know the band, I think. So this for me is the first time that I hear this song. But the voices work so well. I love this kid attitude. Is Ira? I forgot the name, but love the kid attitude. The voice, such a great voice. Again, this is live. Okay? Look at the pose here. Oh yeah, rock star right there. They're killing it, of course. Shoes Don't sell your heart, don't say we're not meant to be. Run, baby, run, forever will be. Run, baby, run, don't ever look back. They'll tear us apart if you'll give them a chance. So sell your heart, don't say we're not meant to be. Run, baby, run, forever will be you and me. You and me. Woo! They're just good. They are just good. So this is family too? They are friends? Someone knows? Let me know in the comments. Great. Again, I don't know the original song. He has a great voice that match that era, like punk rock, pop. Yeah, pop punk style, Blink, Yellow Card, and all those bands. So I assume that's the band, like the cover. But they are doing a really great job. Again, I can with eyes being that little and that talented. I can't. It's such a dude. But with every single one of these people, like they are talented, young human beings, and I'm amazed of the talent from what I'm watching, like the things that I react. And now that I'm just new to Paper Dove, that they're doing more and more covers, they are doing really, really great job. They sound so good. And I need more. Whoa, okay, team. Okay, KKK, and team, thank you for those bits. Really appreciate that, the love. Well, guys, yeah, love it. Give me more. I need to know more. This was great, Paper Dove. Love it. Hope you enjoy it. Bella likes it right here. Hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments what I should react next. Okay, put a like, subscribe if you're not already. Thank you for the support. A lot of you are here because of Mission at Souls, and thank you for that. Hope you keep still enjoying every single thing that I drop. More of those video coming because I had a lot to react. So thank you again. Have a really nice day or night, and hopefully I will see you guys into the next reaction. Bye bye.